Hey everyone, I just kind of want to do a quick video on the new Hyper SS that I just received. I decided I'm going to try and do some club racing with a Truggy, and this just appealed to me, so I'm hoping that it works out. However, I couldn't see very many videos on the almost ready to run version. So I know that there's a ton out there on the ready to run, so I just wanted to show everyone really quick what comes in the almost ready to run. So first of all, there's the box. I'm doing this kind of one-handed since it just arrived. I already did cut the tape before starting this. And let me get this off really quick. Put the box to the side. Okay. So this is how it comes on the inside. Of course, you have your instruction manual. You have a wing, some parts, some tools, the motor mount, body clips, and a few other items. I'll probably get more specific in a little bit, but I just want to show that. Here are the tires, not glued or mounted or anything. Okay, sorry about that. My phone just died on me, so I quickly charged it so that way I can finish this off. So this is what comes on the inside. You have your body, you have your vehicle. Let me just get this quickly out of here, put this on the side. Okay. Looks like everything is on there. It's on there very loosely. As you can see, there's a lot of play in it, but if I look here at the screw, you can see that the screws are not in all the way. They're just put on with finger tightened. The body's in a nice little bag. It does appear that it's already cut out for the posts. Let me get the plastic off of there. So while we're looking at that, here's the body. As I said, it needs to be painted. Looks like it already has everything marked for it if you were going to put it on nitro, but in this case I'm going to go electric. So that's everything there in terms of the body. We'll throw that on the side. So this is what comes inside the Truggy. I guess I'll have... Sorry about that, the phone died again. I'm going to have to put on the wing. And as you can see, there's no motor or anything. And I plan on putting in the castle equipment I do have. I need to put in a servo. So this is basically how the ARR comes. Everything seems pretty nicely put together. Otherwise, I'll go through it a little more closely and see how it's how everything is, how it feels. Just roughing it out feels pretty good. Maybe a little light, and I'll let you know more as I finish this off. Take it easy, and thanks a lot.